In this video, you'll learn how to use Playwright MCP server with GitHub Copilot agent to detect console error messages on a website and determine whether any action is needed. Alright, let's get into it. When websites run in the browser, they often log messages to the console. These may include warnings, errors, or debug information. Console errors usually indicate issues like broken JavaScript, missing resources, or failed API calls. Although users may not see these messages directly, they can reveal deeper problems that affect an app's performance or reliability. As testers, keeping an eye on console logs helps us catch hidden bugs early and deliver a smoother, more stable user experience. Now, we'll look at how the Playwright MCP server can help us analyze these errors. You can install and manage Playwright MCP server directly from the extensions view in VS Code. In my case, I already have the Playwright and GitHub MCP servers installed, so they show up in this list. If you don't have it installed, just click the browse icon. This takes you to the VS Code MCP page, where you can find and click on Install Playwright to install the server. You can start the server by selecting Start Server from the context menu. Alright, time to put Playwright MCP to the test. Here's my prompt. Perform analysis of the error messages found in the console for the webpage learningexpressway.com. Save the results in a Markdown file. Use the Playwright MCP server for this task. I also selected Playwright as a tool. GitHub Copilot immediately began working on the task. It first identified the steps required to complete it. Next, it requested my permission to use the Playwright MCP server to navigate to the webpage. Once I granted permission, it navigated to the site and collected the console messages. It then generated a Markdown file containing the analysis of the console messages. Let's take a look at the generated Markdown file. This report categorizes the different types of messages found in the browser's console and includes a severity-based analysis. It then highlights insights into the page's overall health. It also offers actionable recommendations based on the findings, along with details about the test environment. You can also view detailed information about each step taken by the Copilot agent directly from the chat window. That's everything. You can see how the Playwright MCP server streamlines console error checking and delivers valuable insights. Try it out with your websites and let me know how it goes. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content on Playwright MCP server and other AI-driven testing topics. Happy testing!